my name is Youll Garcia, and I'm here at the IMAS Biozone to tell you about a new program, an IMAS collaboration with the Smithsonian Institution. It's a free film project called Earth Optimism 2020. It is for teens ages 13 through 18. IMAS is going to be working with up to 15 of you guys in 3 groups of 5 from October to December. If you want to sign up, we have a ton of free equipment that you can use and software, and I'll be guiding you towards making your documentary a reality. So what this is a video project for you to voice what you feel is important for the prosperity, peace, and justice of the world, the environment, and society. Some of the things that you guys are going to get to be working with are cameras from Sony. You're going to get your own tripod, camera cleaning equipment. You're going to get to learn how to use a video editing software that I'm going to guide you through. Participating teens are going to meet weekly, and we're going to talk about what's important to you and what's important for you to say in your documentary. I'm also going to be guiding you through the technical aspects of making a documentary and through the Sustainable Development Goals. The documentaries will feature your opinions and your vision for one of the Sustainable Development Goals set by the UN in 2020. The Sustainable Development Goals are 17 goals that are all set to improve the environment and promote peace and prosperity for all people. In addition, you're going to be learning the art of storytelling. Participants will be meeting weekly with me over Google Hangouts to talk about what your vision for a better future is. We're going to learn all about what the UN Sustainable Development Goals are, and you're going to be finding out which ones are the ones that are closest to you. In addition, you guys are going to be entered into a part of a global competition where you'll be connected with experts in sustainability, both local and from all over the world. You're going to be a part of a team of teen change makers that are all passionate to make our world a better place. If you want to sign up, we'd love to have you. Everyone and anyone is invited to apply or to just sign up. There's no cost, and we're going to make sure that you have all the tools that you need to make your documentary a reality. You can call us at 956-681-2800 or apply online. And I hope to see you guys soon.